Introducing the stunning 2023 Peugeot 508. Allure Pack 1.5 HDI 130 automatic in sleek black. This hatchback is packed with features for your comfort and convenience, including air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more. With top-notch safety features like lane departure warning and anti-collision systems, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the stylish chrome package and privacy glass make this car stand out from the rest. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. It also comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at windsor.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the 2023 Peugeot 508, Allure Pack 1.5 HDI 130 automatic.